Today we will be talking about the factors affecting enzyme activities. Let's get started. The first factor affecting enzyme activities is temperature. By the way, if you don't know what are enzymes, it is recommended that you watch the video about enzymes and their role in metabolism first. At low temperatures, the kinetic energy of the enzyme and substrate molecules is low. The molecules will therefore move slowly. If they move slowly, the chances of them colliding with each other decreases. Therefore, most enzymes are inactive at low temperatures. You might ask, what does it mean by low? In fact, it varies depending on the optimum temperature of the enzyme. The activity of the enzyme will reach a maximum. The temperature at which maximum activity occurs is called the optimum temperature. The chance of enzymes and substrates colliding with each other increases, thus enzyme-substrate complex can be formed easily. As a result, the time needed for making the products increases. What if we put the enzymes at a temperature that is higher than that of the optimum? The enzymes will be denatured. It means that the enzymes cannot have catalyzers to break down or the building up of the substrate anymore as the shape changes. Another factor affecting enzyme activity is the pH value. At optimum pH value, the activity reaches the maximum. Each type of enzyme has its own optimum pH. For example, the optimum pH of pepsin in stomach is 2, because there is hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice to kill bacteria. The pepsin in the stomach has to be acidic. The optimum pH of salivary amylase inside the mouth is 7. However, at low or high pH, the activity of the enzyme decreases. That's because the unsuitable pH causes denaturation, which results in substrate not being able to fit into the active site. The enzyme cannot form the enzyme-substrate complex with the substrates. The enzyme loses the catalytic ability forever. The final factor affecting enzyme activity will be inhibitors. Inhibitors are something that might be a good thing or a bad thing. They are something that can decrease the activity of enzymes. For example, cyanide can prevent the enzyme that is involved in respiration to function properly. On the other hand, protease inhibitors may actually be a kind of antiviral medications that can help patients with hepatitis C or HIV.